You may have seen dynamic text before, where you can change the size of your font right across your iPhone or iPad. Well, now in iOS 15 you can change that on an app-by-app basis. Here's how it works. This new text size control is located in Control Center. So to activate it, jump onto the Settings app and then scroll down to the Control Center options. From here you can add additional sections into Control Center, and if you scroll down you should find text size as an option. Tap the plus button to enable that now. Of course, you can rearrange the objects in Control Center by dragging and dropping them just like this. So I'll move my text size one slightly higher up in that list. From then on, it's as simple as swiping down from the top right corner of your device to bring up Control Center, and then tapping on that new text size widget. On this screen, you have two options at the bottom. On the right-hand side, you can change the text size across the entire phone, and on the left, you can change it just for the app you're currently in. So in the Settings app, where I am at the moment, if I were to boost that text size up slightly higher for this app only, you will then see that the writing in the Settings app is much bigger than it is in other apps on my phone. If I jump out of Settings and go into Twitter, for example, you'll see the font size there is much more standard compared to the larger size I've just created in Settings. But of course we can change it in Twitter too if we wanted to. Again, I'm going to pull down from that top right corner to get Control Center open. And from here, once again, I have the option on the right-hand side at the bottom to change the font size across the entire device, and on the left to change it only in Twitter. I can make the writing a bit bigger, but actually for Twitter I want to make it a little bit smaller so I can see more on the screen at once. Again, you can fine-tune this as much as you like for every single app you use, and you may find that some require bigger text and some require smaller text. Whilst this certainly isn't the biggest feature in iOS 15, it sure is nice to have, and I can certainly see myself making good use of this over the coming year. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this feature, and what else you're excited for in iOS 15. And don't forget you can like this video and subscribe to my channel, where there are loads more iOS quick tips waiting for you there. I'll see you next time.